Hi guys, and welcome to a mini Q&A sort of video thing. I don't really know what to call this. I've just been getting a couple of questions under some of my photos as well as in my direct messages, and I just wanted to address them in a video. I was gonna make a YouTube video, but I changed my mind because I can do that. So the first question, I'm gonna keep this really short so that I don't ramble. So the first question I have is, how long have I been locked? 2 weeks. I don't even think I would consider myself locked because I have mini twists. So I'm in the process of being locked, and it has been 2 weeks. I locked on April 11th. That was my official day that I was locked. Second question, do I have Microlocs or sister locks? I have DIY Microlocs. I sat down and twisted my hair by myself. I wanted sister locks, and I was inspired by Queen Aleem and Naps Are the New Black and like two other girls, Cat's Coils and one other person, I can't remember her name, I'm sorry. I was inspired by them, and I was watching a lot of their videos. And I was like, you know what? It's time. I'm gonna lock my hair. So I did DIY Microlocs, starting off as 2-strand twists. So yeah, not sister locks. How many locks do I have? So I have approximately 480 twists in my head. I wanted to count them. Okay, let's start over. So I did count them initially. I was very adamant about having 500 locks. I wanted 500 because, you know, the smaller they are, the fuller they are, yada, yada, yada. Again, I was going for that sister locks look. So I ended up falling short by like 20 of the 500. And I was a little bummed about it, but I was like, you know what, whatever. And then as I was going through my hair and started spraying it, and my hair actually started to like curl up and shrink, there were some really big twists in there, so I had to separate them. So now I really don't know how much I have. So I'm just gonna go with 480 until I decide to count them again, if I decide to. Washing. So I just washed my hair. I have not washed my hair yet. I've had these installed for 2 weeks, and I have not washed my hair yet. So I will be washing my hair sometime this week because it's time, and they just need to be washed. I use Herbal Essences, one of their shampoos. I don't even know which one it is. And then I use the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle because I like it, but that's about it. Those are the only shampoos I've been using, Herbal Essences and Tea Tree Tingle, or I should say I haven't used them yet, but those are the ones I plan to. Just before I installed my hair, I washed my hair with the Herbal Essence, and it was fine. I haven't had any complaints, I suppose. What am I putting in my hair? I am putting in 3 oils, and I have them right here. These 3, okay, let's turn this around. These 3 babies. So it's kind of hard to see, I'm sorry. It's Now Solutions, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. And I have been putting them in my water bottle with some water, shaking them up, spraying my hair. That's it. I did buy rose water, but I'm not a fan of the rose water. I don't like how it smells. So maybe I'll use it for like a toner or something. I don't know. Maybe I won't even like how it smells on my face. And what rotation am I using? So I finally, this week I worked on retightening my hair. So I just have like a fresh retie, y'all, fresh retie. I just finished yesterday. I got help from my boyfriend because, y'all, the back of my head was a hot mess. So yeah, fresh retie right here going on. And I do the 4-point rotation because my hair is thick, and for me it was just easier to understand the 4-point rotation. It's just east to west, south to north, west to east, and then north to south. That's it. That's all I had to learn, and that was it. I don't want to know nothing else. I don't want to know about no other rotations. I do the 4-point rotation. That's it. And I retightened my hair. Even though I know I'm only 2 weeks in, I retightened my hair because my roots were really fuzzy, and I wanted to wash my hair, and I was worried that my locks would start to mate together, and then I wouldn't be able to separate them properly or whatever. So I was afraid of that happening. So I said, you know what, let me at least do a quick retie just to have my roots secured. and then when I wash my hair, I'll feel okay. I don't know, am I weird for doing that? Probably, I don't know, but it just makes more sense to me to have my roots secured before washing my hair and then having my locks mate together. That won't be fun. And it was hard enough as it was, because just trying to retighten my hair, I got so many of my locks interlocked together, and that was just annoying. Okay, but yes, that is it. If you guys have any other questions, you can leave them under here, direct message them to me. Maybe I'll do a Q&A sticker thingy about my hair, and then you guys can ask me questions and I'll do another video. But again, I did not want this to be super long, so I'm gonna get off, and the last thing I'm going to do before I get off is just do a 360 of my hair.